guys, so today I'm doing a very short video for you. My daughter bought these moulds. I think they were from Amazon, maybe Temu, not quite sure. I'll find out and put a link below. Quite obviously they're Disney ones, and because they're Disney ones they are for personal use only, because of copyright. These will be for my daughter. She wants me to make some make a nose ring holder for her. So what I'm going to do, this one here, this Mickey turns into a tray when it's done, so I'm going to do this one, just the tray bit, and then with this one I'm not going to do it as thick as right to the top. I'm just going to fill it about halfway, which means this bit won't be in this bit won't be filled in and won't be in the final product. So it'll be a ring with ears, and then once it's cured I'm going to drill very thin holes through the ears so that she can pop her nose studs in, and the tray will be like that, and I'm going to do some UV resin and set it up like this. Actually, just looking at this mould, she will still get the castle because that is part of the mould here, so she will still get the castle. So right, so let's get on. She wants it blue, no sorry, she wants it white with like a blue marbling through it. So what I've got here, I've already mixed up some white. This white is from here, and this was from a set, Art Studio mica powder. I bought this from the range. I think it was something like £5 for the whole set, which was not too bad at all. I think I used the purple once. Didn't think the purple was that great, so we'll see how the white goes. And also for the blue here that you can see just at the bottom of the screen, I'm using this one. It's sky blue, and that is from the HTV Ront set that I put in one of my hauls a little while ago. So those are the colours I'm using. I've already mixed them up and let them settle so any bubbles come to the surface. I'm just going to give them a spray with isopropyl alcohol just to get rid of any bubbles. I'm also going to spray the moulds so when they're set, when they're cured, they'll be easier to come out. Right, so let's just pour this mould. So this one will be full up this one. Right to the top. Don't want to overfill it. There we go. That's that one done. Right, now this one, don't want to fill it so far, because if it's too thick, if the mould's too thick, she won't be able to get her nose studs in. So pour a bit and let that spread out. No, it's going to have to be more than that. I have to let it spread out by itself. Can't see how much is in there. It's a bit more than that. me. I don't know how deep that is. Let me just stick that in. Yeah, I think that will be deep enough for it. Oops. Okay. Oop. Just wipe off the excess there. Okay. Right. Now then, she wants it marbled with blue. So I've got my blue here. I'm going to use a micro brush. I nearly said mica powder then. Oh, you know what my brain's like. If you watch my videos, you know I'm a bit gibbery. I say the wrong things. Right, so let's marble it with blue. I hope this works. Blue. I don't want to mix it in. I want the blue streaks in there. I'm hoping this is working. If it doesn't, she'll get a light blue Mickey Mouse. But she likes blue anyway. Right. Let's just see. I'm just going to lift this up to just see. Okay, that looks like from the bottom I can see some streaks. So I'm hoping that those streaks will stay. There we go. And not actually mix in to make it look blue, completely blue. Right, and I was going to do the same with the other one. Streaks on the castle. And around here. Right. Anyway, I've done the streaks in this one, so all I have to do now is just wait until these are cured. I'm actually going to take these indoors to get them cured because it's much too cold in my shed and things are taking a bit too long to cure. Just wipe off the excess there. Right, so I'm going to clean up and then I'll pop these indoors and then let them cure. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm just going to demold these. Look like they came out really nice. So let's do this one first. Oh wow, look at that guys. That's really nice. I love that. See how this one came out. Be careful with this one. Oh, I'm struggling to do this one. There we go. I don't want to break it. There we go. Let's come in there. Oh, it bent a little bit, but there we go, guys, look. Oh, wow. That is so cute. And the marbling, that... Okay, guys, we're back again. Right, so I need to turn this into a nose ring holder for my daughter. So what I'm going to do is I have to sand this down because where I only filled the mould half full, I need to sand down the lip that's here, and also because at the moment that is too thick. She wants to put her nose rings in here, so I will be drilling little holes in the ear parts here, and then I will be using some UV resin to pop on the bottom of here, on the bottom of there, and then that will sit inside of there, hopefully, once I've sanded it down a bit. That will sit inside there, and then she'll have a little tray and she'll have the area here to put her nose rings in. Okay, so first of all, I'm using some 400 grit sandpaper. I don't know if I should sand down that bottom bit a bit more, so it's a bit thinner. Right, I'm going to do that, guys. I'm going to sand the bottom bit down and I'll be back with you. Okay, right, so I have sanded the bottom edges and these corners so that this will fit right into the bottom, and it's nice tight fit. I now am going to put some UV resin. There it is. Oh dear. Right, I am just going to pop some, oh, come on, UV resin on the bottom. Oh, please tell me I've got some left. UV resin on the front and on the back bit here, and then pop this in place where it's going to sit. That's it. Then make sure it's set. There we go. Right, so there we are, guys, a Mickey Mouse nose ring holder. It will have some holes in here to put nose rings in, but it's got a little tiny tray to put stuff in. I think that's absolutely gorgeous, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Fantastic. Right, anyway, guys, I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening or night, wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video too. Liking and subscribing really helps me out, and take care of yourselves. I'll see you all soon in a new video.